Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of two of ICICI Bank's most popular credit cards, the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card and the ICICI Coral credit card. If you shop online, especially on Amazon, or you're someone looking for a reliable credit card with decent lifestyle benefits, then today's comparison is just for you. By the end of this video, you know exactly which one suits your lifestyle better in 2025. Let's get started. The Amazon Pay ICICI credit card is a card that was born out of a strategic partnership between ICICI Bank and Amazon India, and it's tailor-made for online shoppers, particularly loyal Amazon customers. What's the key selling point? It's a lifetime free credit card, meaning no annual or joining fees whatsoever, and it offers hands down some of the best cashback benefits for Amazon purchases. Whether you're a Prime member or not, you're earning rewards on almost every transaction, and they go directly into your Amazon Pay balance, ready to be used on future orders, on bill payments or recharges. It's a great fit for the modern, digital savvy customer who wants maximum value from everyday shopping without worrying about fees. How about the Coral credit card? It's part of ICICI's premium gemstone collection. Coral isn't designed around a single merchant like Amazon. Instead, it's more of a lifestyle card. You get benefits across dining, movies, fuel, and even travel, making it ideal for people who want a little bit of everything. This card does come with a nominal annual fee, but the perks, especially the airport lounge access and dining discounts, may be worth it depending on how you use it. So in short, if you are a heavy online shopper, especially on Amazon, the Amazon Pay card is a strong contender. But if you value versatility across multiple lifestyle categories, then the Coral card might be more of your style. Now let us talk about the main features of both cards. First, the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. As I earlier mentioned, there is no annual fee or joining fee. It is lifetime free. You get 5% cashback on Amazon for Prime members, and you get 3% cashback on Amazon if you're a non-Prime user. You also get 2% cashback on certain partner merchants like Swiggy or Book My Show. You get 1% cashback on all other purchases, and there's no limit on cashback earnings. You also get your cashback credited monthly as Amazon Pay balance. And the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card is accepted globally because it's powered by Visa. How about the Coral credit card? There are welcome benefits like the movie or dining vouchers that is worth about 500 rupees. You also earn 2 payback points per 100 rupees that is spent on your card except on fuel. And you earn 1 payback point per 100 rupees that is spent on utilities and insurance categories. Currently under the new ICICI Bank Milestone Rewards program, you get 2,000 reward points on spending 2 million rupees, that's 2 lakhs on your card, and 1,000 reward points each time you cross the 1 million rupees or 1 lakh spent. And that comes thereafter in an anniversary year. There's a maximum to earning 10,000 reward points per year. There's also 1 complimentary airport lounge access per quarter to select airport lounges in India when you spend a minimum of 75,000 rupees or above in a calendar quarter. As you can see, the Amazon Pay card is reward heavy on Amazon and partner spending, while the Coral card gives you a broader suite of lifestyle perks. So let us talk about the pricing. As I earlier mentioned, for the Amazon Pay ICICI card, it costs you nothing to join and there is no annual fee. There's a foreign markup fee at about 3.5%. And for the ICICI card, it costs you 500 rupees to join plus GST, and there's an annual renewal fee of 500 rupees as well. This amount is believed to be waived off if you spend more than 1.5 lakhs in the previous year. There's also a foreign markup fee of about 3.5%. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these cards? First, the pros. We start with the Amazon Pay ICICI. 0 annual or joining fee, industry best cashback on Amazon, and cashback directly usable as Amazon Pay balance. How are the pros of using the Coral credit card? Balanced benefits across dining, movies and travel. And there's lounge access, which is rare in this price range. How about the cons? For the Amazon Pay card, no travel or lifestyle perks, and is not suitable for offline heavy spenders. Cashback is only useful inside the Amazon ecosystem, and there is no lounge access. And for the Coral credit card, the annual fee is something you might want to look at, except you meet the 1.5 lakh spend threshold every year. Also, the lounge access is limited to just one per quarter. So which is the best of the two cards? Well, if you're someone who's deeply invested in the Amazon ecosystem, buying groceries, gadgets, clothing, and more, the Amazon Pay ICICI card is a no-brainer. It's free for life, and the cashback is generous. The rewards also come in usable, flexible formats. It removes the hassle of tracking points or redeeming them manually. Just shop and save. But if your lifestyle is a little more varied, you dine out, you love watching movies in theaters, and you take the occasional flight, or you want a little extra pampering, then the ICICI Coral credit card could be a better fit. Yes, there's a small fee involved, but the lounge access and the entertainment perks can easily outweigh the cost if you use them strategically. Ultimately though, there's no one-size-fits-all winner here. Both cards are well designed for their target audiences. It's just a matter of picking the one that aligns with your day-to-day habits. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore the HDFC Millennial Credit Card, the Axis Bank ACE Credit Card, and the SBI Simply Click Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.